Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2004 Honda Goldwing with only 26,292 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, reverse, and an intercom. It's been upgraded with a motor TRIKE kit, adjustable air suspension, passenger armrests, highway pegs, driver floorboards, heel-toe shifter, luggage rack, and a trailer hitch. We have replaced the front tire. A titan of the metric touring class, the Goldwing doles out impressive power while being one of the most comfortable motorcycles available for over 3 decades. Powered by an 1832cc 6-cylinder engine, the Goldwing puts 118 horsepower and 120 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 799 pounds and has a 29.1-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.